Hello, and welcome to Danny's Mathematical World of Baking, where math is fun and eating is more fun. Today we'll be making butter cake. We'll get to the cooking in a bit, but first we need to mathetize this recipe. A typical butter cake recipe has 6 to 12% solid butter or other shortening, 18 to 36% liquid, usually milk or water, 27% flour, a combination of flour and cocoa, 27 to 40% sugar, 5 to 10% egg, and a small amount of flavoring and leavening such as baking powder or baking soda.
Wait a minute, Chef Danny. What are all these funny measurements? They didn't put percentages in baking recipes.
Well, you see, Melanie, baking is all about proportions. And let's listen to our resident math expert, Amanda, talk a little bit about proportions. Oh, thanks, Amanda. That was interesting and informative. Moving right along, next we have to figure out how much cake we should make. This recipe yields about 12 servings, but I want to make 24. That means 2 eggs becomes 4 eggs.
Wait a minute, Chef Danny. There's another problem. This recipe is in metric measurements, and I only have cups, tablespoons, and teaspoons.
Not to worry, Melanie. This calls for dimensional analysis. Let's turn back to our trusty resident math expert, Amanda. Back to you, Amanda.
First, mix together wet ingredients, including sugar, butter, milk, and eggs, until creamed. Add dry ingredients to wet ingredients and stir. Put the batter in a greased pan and put it in a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes.
And voila, we have a butter cake. Join us next time for barbecuing with sociology. As for this time, math takes the cake.